The AirPods Pro 2 could launch later in 2022, and rumors suggest there could be a big change on the way to keep up with the AirPods 3. The AirPods Pro are Apple's response to high-end true wireless earbuds, featuring an enhanced fit, active noise cancellation, Dolby Atmos audio compatibility, and much more. But even capable buds like the AirPods Pro can become old, and fans are already anticipating the next generation AirPods Pro 2. While there are disagreements over the upgrades available, when the updated AirPods Pro are introduced later in 2022, they may sport an upgraded design, greater ANC capabilities, and perhaps fitness monitoring. Here's all you need to know. When will the AirPods Pro 2 be released? Ming-Chi Kuo originally speculated in June 2021 that the AirPods Pro 2 will be available in 2022. Soon after, Bloomberg's Mark Gurman backed up the report, claiming that the second-generation AirPods Pro will be available in 2022. In late 2021, leaker at Leaks Apple Pro became more explicit, implying that the AirPods Pro May 2nd not be released until later in the year, maybe in Q3 2022. That was later confirmed by Twitter leaker at Frontron, who also stated that the high-end buds will be available in Q3 2022. While it should be taken with a grain of salt, Frontron has a solid track record, correctly forecasting the introduction of the third-generation AirPods. Ming-Chi Kuo also modified his forecast in December 2021, now predicting that the redesigned AirPods Pro will be released in late 2022. He repeated the claim months later, in early April 2022, claiming that the AirPods Pro 2 will be released somewhere in 2H22, the second half of the year, and that Apple will withdraw the first-generation buds to prevent them from competing, as with Apple's AirPods 2 and 3. Kuo also expects that major manufacturing will begin in 2H22, implying that there may not be as much stock available at launch as some would want, although this remains unverified for the time being. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman predicts the AirPods Pro 2 will be released in the fall when he discusses them in his Power On newsletter in May 2022. He observes that the batteries are undoubtedly already in danger for certain early users of the original AirPods Pro, implying that a replacement should be available sooner rather than later. With that in mind, it appears that the AirPods Pro 2 will not be available until Q3 or Q4 2022, which spans from July 1st to September 30th and October 1st to December 31st, respectively, at Apple. While this is upsetting, the AirPods 3 are now available to order if you can't wait to get your hands on a new pair. The good news, if you can call it that given the high price of the buds, is that Apple is reportedly planning to maintain the AirPods Pro 2 at the same $239/$249 pricing as the original Pro Buds. It makes sense given how popular the AirPods Pro remain, even over 2 years after debut, still attracting an audience despite the hefty price tag. If you're looking for something a little cheaper and accessible right now, we've compiled a list of the finest true wireless earbuds. Rumors about the AirPods Pro 2. Given the tremendous competition from high-end true wireless earbuds, there are great expectations for Apple's AirPods Pro 2, and recent rumors indicate that Apple may be working on a significant update. Design update. Apple's revised AirPods 3 have a similar style to the first-generation AirPods Pro, so it stands to reason that Apple may be ready to shake things up in its Pro line to differentiate itself. A Bloomberg story from late 2020 gave some insight on potential design modifications for the forthcoming Pro Buds. According to the report, Apple was considering making the AirPods Pro 2 even smaller by eliminating the stem that holds the beamforming mics and other smart technologies. If Apple goes forward with the change, the AirPods Pro 2 will resemble the stemless Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro or the second-generation Google Pixel Buds. According to analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, the form factor might be similar to the Apple-owned Beats Studio Buds. The issue appears to be squeezing all of the necessary technology into a smaller form, with Apple apparently attempting to incorporate the different antennas, microphones, and electronics into a stemless AirPod chassis. And, according to an early look at the revised AirPods Pro 2 through 52 audio, Apple couldn't quite fit the technology into a stemless design. The website includes not just mock-ups of the rumored second-generation AirPods Pro, but also a wealth of technical information, according to 52 audio. While the AirPods Pro 2 earbuds do not appear to be all that different, there are what appear to be minor tweaks on offer that mimic the design of the AirPods 3, including what appears to be the same skin recognition sensor as the current entry-level buds. There are additional modified ear tips available, which are anticipated to increase the fit and efficacy of the active noise cancellation. AirPods Pro are said to have Apple's latest H1 processor, which 52 Audio believes would increase both performance and battery life, but no statistics were offered. The H1 chipset is intended to introduce adaptive active noise cancellation to wireless earbuds, allowing the buds to self-adjust the noise cancellation available based on the noise in your area and enhance overall performance. It's not a novel idea. It's found on several high-end alternative buds, but it's a first for Apple's TWS buds. The new chipset will also purportedly have enhanced self-adaptive equalization, which will make music sound better on the fly with no user input, as well as all of the AirPods smarts, such as automatic connection, dynamic head tracking, and more. Sensors for heart rate and temperature. The new H1 processor is reported to function in tandem with new sensors included into the AirPods Pro 2 buds. In addition to the skin detection sensor included in the third-generation AirPods, 52 Audio claims that the buds will have a heart rate detection sensor. According to the leak, the sensor would analyze the wearer's inner ear data to monitor heart rate and may even measure the wearer's temperature, though its function is unclear. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman has speculated that the second-generation AirPods Pro might have motion sensors to enable fitness monitoring capabilities, and the heart rate monitor is likely to play a role in this. Ming-Chi Kuo also predicts that the buds would have fitness tracking technology with specific sensors, though he believes it will be less advanced than what the Apple Watch offers. Thank you for watching. Comment down which product review you want us to cover next. See you tomorrow. That's all for today. Those who've stayed until the end, I appreciate your support. Please make sure to like the video if you enjoyed the video. It helps me a lot. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a video. See you tomorrow.